Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SharePoint with AI search and automation via Power Automate step by step clearly. Open your SharePoint site in your preferred web browser. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to create lists and libraries. Navigate to the site where you want to set up AI search and automation. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Site Contents from the drop-down menu. In the Site Contents, click on New and choose List. Name your list relevant to the data you'll be storing. Add columns to your list that correspond to the data you want to capture. Click Create to finalize your list. Next, go back to the site and select Site Settings from the gear icon drop-down. Find and click on Site Search Settings. Enable the AI-powered search features if they are not already. Now, head to Power Automate by opening a new tab. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Click on Create from the left-hand menu. Choose Automated Cloud Flow from the options presented. Name your flow and select a trigger, such as when an item is created. Click Create to proceed. Now, configure the trigger by selecting the SharePoint site and list you created earlier. Next, click on plus New Step to add an action. Search for AI Builder and select the relevant AI model you want to apply. Fill out the required fields for the AI model based on your SharePoint data. Continue by adding another step using Send an email or any other action you prefer. Configure the email fields, ensuring relevant details from your SharePoint list are included. Click Save to store your flow. Now, return to SharePoint and test the setup by adding a new item to your list. Observe if the automated actions you configured trigger correctly. If everything works, you've successfully set up SharePoint with AI search and automation via Power Automate. Feel free to optimize or expand your flow as needed for greater functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.